Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I have 3 cards, one stamp set collab with my friend Cherryl at my Saturday Creations. She sent this stamp and die set to me over the holidays and she said that she have the same one in her stash, so we decided to use it and make 3 cards today. And here I already have stamped my images on watercolor paper and I colored them with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers, and I'm going to die cut them using the coordinating die set. I have a shameless plug for you today. I opened my Etsy shop and selling some of my handmade cards, and I have some Valentine's Day cards and Easter cards there right now. So if you are interested, you can check out the link in my description box below. I really appreciate it and thank you so much. I'm going to let you watch the process and I will be back at the end of the video. And here are my completed cards. I love the super cute images from Fawn, and I love how my cards turned out. Please check out the links below and Cheryl's video and see what she created from the stamp set that we used. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.